Hey Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. Did you click on this video because you're looking to keep your tummy flat at home without exercise? Well, I have two of the perfect drinks for you in order to do that. These are my favorite hacks, especially when your girl is feeling a little bit bloated. And most of the things used in these drinks are products that we already have at home. And if they're not already in your home, I will have my Amazon link down below as to where you can purchase all the items shown in this video. And or you could just head right on to your local grocery store and get all these products. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's keep that belly flat at home. For this mixture, you are going to need 1 lemon, and what we're going to do is cut that lemon in half and squeeze both halves of the lemon into the drink. You are also going to need some organic honey, and I will leave a link down below to my favorite organic honey. And of course, before you put these products in, you're going to need some warm water. So you can get that from the sink. You can also warm up your cup of water, which is what I ended up doing. So let me share with you all exactly how I made this mixture, and then I'll come back and talk a little bit more. The first thing that you need for this mixture is a lemon, and what I'm going to be doing is cutting this lemon in half. Now I am cutting 2 small pieces of lemon that I will be using later on in this mixture. In my mixture, I will be using 1 cup of warm water, and you all, this is all the water you need each and every single day in order to see results from this mixture. Now I'm taking my lemon and I will be squeezing that lemon juice into that water. Now in my mixture, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of honey. In this video, I did use Clover honey, but I definitely recommend organic honey. This was just the only honey that I had on hand at the time, so I will be leaving my favorite organic honey listed down below if you'd like to get your very own. And last but not least, I will be adding those small slices of lemon into my drink mixture. You can remove the seeds if you'd like to, but this whole step at the end is completely optional. This is my favorite mixture because during the days when I'm feeling bloated or when I have a little bit extra stomach fat than usual, I always like to drink this. In fact, it is not a bad taste at all, so you're not going to be disgusted with the taste of this drink. In fact, you might actually like it between the lemon and the honey. I posted a video about this previously, and all of my Glam Stars gave me great feedback on the results that they have received from this mixture. It works great, but please keep in mind that you will be going to the bathroom, okay? I just want to put that out there to all the ladies that are looking to try this. I'd recommend drinking a glass of this each and every single day, but it is going to send you straight to the bathroom, so definitely make sure that if you are going to be taking part in drinking this, make sure that you have a bathroom accessible to you all day long, okay? Because you're definitely going to need it at some point. Some people it works faster on than others, but at some point you are going to need to go to the bathroom, okay? Each and everything that I used in this mixture will be listed down below, and I hope that y'all definitely enjoy this mixture because it has worked wonders for my body. In fact, I've been using it for months now, so that is why I wanted to pop in and share it with my Glam Stars once again, because it is so amazing and it definitely works wonders for the body. And if you are going to try this, once you do try it, let me know down below what type of results you received from it. Let's go ahead and move on to the next drink that I love that also helps to keep off belly fat. Now this next one is quite spicy, okay? So if you don't like spices, you may not like this, but it does contain cayenne pepper, and what cayenne pepper helps to do is speed up the metabolism and also keep off that extra belly fat, okay? Let me share with you all of the things that is in the mixture for this drink. You also need lemon for this mixture as well, and I will be doing the same exact thing that I did with the last drink, and I will be cutting this lemon in half. And I'm also going to be using 12 ounces of purified drinking water, and I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and let it get nice and warm. Next up, you're going to need ginger, and ginger is also going to help with losing that belly fat and keeping it off. If you did not know, ginger is a miracle worker for the body, so if you're looking to improve your body in any way, definitely incorporate ginger into what you drink. And of course, I added some good old cayenne pepper. This mixture right here also works wonders for the body, but it is more so on the spicy side, so that is definitely something that you want to keep in mind, especially if you're looking to keep off belly fat, okay? You could choose.
Time takes a toll on it.
So I'm going to be starting by slicing my lemon in half.
It's merciless, it won't wait for us to change.
I will be using purified drinking water, and in my measuring cup I will be pouring 12 ounces of this water.
Just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe.
Now I will be pouring this into my cup, and after I pour it into my cup, I will be warming it up for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Tell me now if you will go.
Next up, you want to add in that sliced lemon that you cut in half.
Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all.
Now I'm taking my ginger, and I will be cutting a few slices of this to add to my mixture.
Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe.
It is now time for the spicy part, and that is cayenne pepper. I will be adding in cayenne pepper into my mixture and mixing it in nice and good. And if you did not know, cayenne pepper is a great thing to consume on the everyday basis because it helps to speed up the metabolism, keeping weight off for a longer period of time.
If you will go with me all the way.
There are lots of ways that you can get rid of belly fat at home without even having to work out. But honey, if you put this with a workout, you're going to see great results. In fact, I was drinking both of these before I even started working out, and now I'm on a healthy workout schedule where I work out each and every single day, and they definitely help with keeping off that belly fat. Now with both of these drinks, you will be running straight to the bathroom. So like I said previously, definitely make sure that there is one accessible to you. With summer 2021 coming right up, because even though it seems so far, it's so close, you definitely want to make sure that you have your body on fleek so that, honey, you can go to the beach in that bikini and you can do all the things that you want to do. And hey, this year you also don't have to worry about being afraid to put on that crop top, okay? Let me tell you, crop top is going to be worn summer 2021. Now y'all know that I can't just leave y'all hanging. Before I head out of here, let me share with y'all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you all so much for your continued support. Y'all know that it is always appreciated to have great Glam fam members who show love, who come through each and every single video, whether it's something that interests you or not. Honey, you still be there on the front line supporting your girl. Make sure that y'all definitely turn on your post notifications if you are looking to be featured in one of my upcoming videos, because most of the time the person that I see commenting the most is the one who definitely gets to become a Glam Star of the day. So anyways, that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to share this on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever type of social media you like to share stuff on, because we're trying to push the word out even further. We're trying to grow the Glam fam and expand the family, okay? So definitely make sure that you're sharing this with all of your loved ones. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is